Alright, this is going to be video evidence of opening this big package, and no, Chubbs, you can't get in my lap because I'm going to have to need this probably. Oh, it just showed up now. Oh, my goodness. I don't know which end is up on this thing. The woman's name who sent me this Atwater Kent is named Doreen, and I've been talking to her, and she actually is the one who told me that she has actually parts that are new in boxes for a 1949 Philco radio. So she said she tried to sell them one time and couldn't sell them on eBay, so she's going to go ahead and just send them to me for nothing because I bought this radio. So and I actually paid $33 in the auction for this and another $30 shipping, so it cost me a whole $63. It's basically a basket case. It's a basket case Atwater Kent because it's not complete. That's why I had to buy sockets for it. I gotta figure out how to open this. She said she kept wrapping it up. I couldn't tell how far she should go because she had no idea how far, you know, she's never sent anything this far away before, so. And it's taken a while to get here, but still, it got here earlier than expected. They didn't expect it to be here till like the 17th. So, okay, looks like, oh yeah, that's what she did. I think I see what she did. She basically wrapped cardboard. Looks like she packed this thing in a blanket, almost. Doesn't look like regular packing material. And she just sort of wrapped it out. It's really, it's something else. All right, well, anyway, so let's see if we can do that. There we go. Oh yeah, it's well, this is some of the weirdest packing material I've seen, but it's almost like it's a, I don't know what it is. It looks like she's wrapped it in some kind of towel or something. I don't know what it is. So, anyway, let's see what we can do here. Oh, I see she stuffed it inside. Stuffed it inside another box. This is crazy. It's like a bunch of blankets stuffed in here. Well, we'll see. Oh, God. Well, I think I'll have to cut it open. Maybe I can take this off. Slide it out, I guess. Wow. Well, you say, I don't know if they know how to pack this stuff, but boy, I tell you, she can get crazy on this thing. Make sure it stayed together. All right, well, no tape there, and she used enough tape on it too. Wow. There's no way of telling which way she's got this thing turned, so I'm going to have to pull it out. Wow. Okay. I think I might go do it now. I think I'm into the radio, finally. It's wrapped up in more stuff. I think that's it. I think I finally found it. Wow. I don't know what she did. It almost looks like She wrapped up a... It looks like she cut up a comforter to use for... Let me get this out of the way. Turn this around again. Oh, she used a comforter to pack this thing with. And there's a cord. Which is probably no good. It's for the power cable, actually. Because you got to figure this was made in 1926. So it's a wood cabinet with a metal face. So we'll see. There it is. Smells kind of weird. Not a musty smell. It almost smells like it's some kind of a shellac or something. Now, I'll tell you, she really packed it. But good thing, because those are all the original knobs, and the wood cabinet looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Even the original label is right there. So get that out the rest of the way. So it's not hanging there. And that's, well, she can bubble wrap that. This is a power cable for the radio. So, yeah. And that's what it is. Okay, so that is definitely the original power cable. It's bent and everything, so she put a little tie wrap to hold it together, but that's all the wiring for it. Now, let's see. I'm going to have to redo the front panel. Let's see. How do you open this thing? Let's see. Here it goes. Okay, well, that's it. The hinge works. See, inside there. Just stuff the inside. It's got the coils. See them. And coils are one piece. Make sure that I don't know why she stuck paper on the inside of the coils, but that gets stuffed in there. And yes, it looks like, oh, I see, the transformers are there, and the look inside there. I don't know if you can see that or not. We've got another light here, so hopefully you can see inside. There's the coils with the tuning. You have all the tuning things are here. Those are still there. Those are intact, and they work. I can see that. Nothing's stiff. The tube sockets. Yeah, I was right. I was right in guessing that, well, this may or may not need tube sockets. I don't know. But it